Hello friends, today we are going to create another exciting program that is progress steps. Okay, now we are in VS Code and let's create a file inside this folder progress steps index.html. Go inside this file and create basic boilerplate of HTML and remove this title and write here progress steps and move to body tag and write first create a div container and create div progress container. Go inside this and create a div class progress with id progress. Create circle div active 1 1, then again div class circle 2. Copy this for 4 steps and change their name 434. Now create a button, one for previous and one for next. So button and with class btn and id previous and disabled, equal disabled only, and previous and button class btn id, this is for next, and right here next. When we click on next, that will be disabled. And write script.src for script file our js file, and now link style.css file and create this same name file style.css style.css. Go inside this file and write our css program for this. That is, we can import our font if you want, otherwise no problem. Root line border fill colon with color 3498 dv semicolon and line border empty colon semicolon. Fine. For all box sizing border box and body font family Muley sans serif. And now run this on a live server and go to CSS. We can get this font Google font Muley. Mulis. Copy and add that right here. Mulis. After that, background color, that is F6 F7 FP. Fine. And display flags, justify content center and height 100 VH and overflow hidden and margin 0. Container text align center and progress container display flags, justify content, space between and position relative and margin bottom is 30 pixel and max width is 100% and align item also at the center. So these are at the center. Now width is 350 pixel. Progress container before content and background color var line border empty. Position absolute top 50% and left 0 and transform translate y minus 50% and height is 4 pixel and width is 100%. Z index is -1. Fine. Now move to progress only. Progress is background color var hyphen line border fill and position absolute absolute top 50% left 0 and transform translate y minus 50% height 4 pixel width 0% z index -1 and transition 0.4 second is now move to circle background color white and color base and border radius is 50% and height 30 pixel and width is also 30 pixel. Display flags justify content center border 3 pixel solid var line border empty and transition 0.4 second is fine. Now circle active border color var line border fill. It is fulfilled. Now button sorry our class was btn background color is var line border fill color white border 0 and border radius is 6 pixel and cursor pointer font family is inherit and padding 8 pixel and 30 pixel and margin 5 pixel and font size is 14 pixel. Button active transform scale is 0.98 and BTN focus is outline 0 and BTN disabled background color VAR line border empty and cursor not allowed. Fine. And now add JS. So script.js is our file name and link this with our HTML program. So write here our script.js file and write our JS program, that is const progress equal to document.get element by id, that is progress semicolon, and let's copy this for other elements. This one for previous, this one for next, and this one for circle. Right here circles name and provide name as previous, and this one next let current active equal to 1 semicolon, and next dot add event listener click comma and use arrow function and go inside this current dot active plus plus semicolon, and if current active is greater than circles dot length and current active is equal to circles dot length semicolon, then update semi update semicolon, and previous dot add event listener click comma arrow function and current active minus minus, and if current active is less than 1 then current active हो जाएगा हमारा 1 and फिर से हम अपडेट हो जाएगा. Okay, then again for next one const update equal to function circles dot for each sorry for each circle comma index, if index is less than current active circles dot class list dot add active semicolon, and else circles dot class list dot remove active semicolon and close this. Const actives equal to document dot query selector all for dot active semicolon and progress dot style dot width equal to active dot length minus 1 divided by circles dot length minus 1 and multiply by 100 plus and modulus semicolon if current active is equal to 1 then previous dot disabled previous dot disabled equal to हो जाएगा true and else if current active is equal to circles dot length next dot disabled is equal to true disabled equal to true and else previous dot disabled is equal to false and next dot disabled equal to false so then semicolon that's it so this is all our js let's minimize this and you can see this is all our js and this is our html and this is our css now use this refresh next is not working is there any problem let's check js here we made mistake that is remove this circles to convert this into circle because we need to add circle with active oh we made mistake because we need to use right here query selector all because we are using circuit class and now this is working perfectly for next and next so this is a way to use this